Renaming hundreds of files can be highly tedious and laborious task. It may take several hours or even days, as the files might well run into hundreds of thousands and scattered across different drives, folders, and subfolders. If you wish to avoid going through each file one by one, there is a handy way to accomplish this task in an automated manner. Rename files to remove those ugly and bizarre looking file names, give a meaningful look to your data by removing spaces in batches, and making even more changes in a single go. Although Windows does not contain any tool to bulk rename the files, it is still possible to accomplish this using File Explorer. However, please remember that this method would only be helpful if you want to remove spaces and rename files with exact name. All you have to do is move to the folder that you want to rename, Ctrl A to select all the files that you want to rename, toggle the rename button, rename the file. This will assign the new name as well as the number appended at the end of the new file name. Let's move on to another method. Now we'll rename each file individually with different file name structures or patterns. However, you'll have to hide each file name one by one in a given sequence and use different key combinations. So we really don't recommend this unless you're willing to put in your time. So once you've decided which file you want to rename, all you have to do is sort by ascending and then group by name. So now your files are arranged in ascending order by name. Select the first file on top, select it for renaming, and then write a new name. Go to tab, write the other name, tab, and so on and so forth. Repeat it over until you have renamed all the files. This method is not helpful if you are to rename files in a large number. If this is the case indeed, we suggest going for an automated solution. Another thing you can do is use command prompt. It is a powerful command line interpreter in Windows. It can perform various file system and administrative operations while providing greater functionality, customization, and control to the user. In your search box, type CMB, open the command prompt, enter the following directory in your command prompter. This will help you rename your files automatically. Lastly, try Easy File Renamer. It's designed to batch rename thousands of files with just a few clicks. Renaming your files with Easy File Renamer has several advantages. You can safely and quickly rename multiple files without worrying about corrupting any file contents. This powerful utility simplifies the whole task with the use of advanced technology and smart algorithms. The GUI is pretty simple and easy to use. You can rename your files using multiple rules. You can also rename your files on a cloud. So you can rename your Google Drive files without downloading anything. You can rename MP3 files, change the music tags, to bulk edit music file tags, to insert copyright disclaimer, author information, and other relevant data. You can also add music files from iTunes. To rename a file, just add files from folders, or you can individually add the file or folder. Now just select the rule type you want to add. So when I add the rule, you can see the new name before actually renaming the file. The preview function is really helpful to make sure that you do not make mistakes. Once you're done with your renaming rules, just rename the file. And see, these are the new names. That's how easy it was.